welcome back, rankers. Wow, we had an interesting week last week. We tried something different on a client site. We were looking at conversion rate optimization for this one particular retailer. And someone said, you know what? These two pages here, they're the highest traffic pages in the site. And it takes us, we've got to sort of drill down through the menu to find those pages. How about we just put them as top level navigation items? So we did that. And the data's now in. We've got we've got about 10 days worth of data, and that's a big enough sample size for this site. But you can see here the numbers are quite extraordinary. And that's just from 2 links, right? So we have increased mobile revenue by nearly 96%. So, and this is just by 2 links. And it's these sorts of things that just keep coming back and back and back and back to us, is that you've just got to make it easy for the user. Not only with that process has to start right from the search results. So you have to make it easy for the user to decide what result they want to click on. And the better that you can do that, then you're going to get higher in the rankings. The easier that you can make it for the user on the site, you're not only going to get higher in the rankings because Google can see that it's a good site to use and the user experience is good, but you're going to get more transactions. You're going to make more money. All right? So make it easy, make it fast, and basically SEO for us these days is all about how's the brand and how's the user experience. And the user experience is things like speed. It's like page duplication. It's like having crappy URLs indexed, which shouldn't be, because that's a bad user experience or if a user finds them. So all these things that a lot of people talk as technical SEO, I would actually call them user experience type things. So errors, 404s, server errors, 501s, bad speed, all those sorts of things. They're all user experience, right? And when you drill down into some of these numbers, it gets some interesting things come out. So let's go and have a look at Google Organic for this site. So we can see here, revenue up overall 46% across all sources. So we've gone from 21 to 31 in that 10 days. So it's an extra $1,000 a day for them, which is pretty good. So if we drill into Google Organic, and we can see that mobile revenue from organic is up 178%. And the reason for that is that it was harder for people coming in from search, or the majority of people coming in from search were looking for these topics, these pages, and they were coming in from mobile. So you can see the mobile organics outperformed with that change by 178%, which is pretty good. And incidentally, this is just a segment in Google Analytics. You can just switch on yourself. Make sure it's the system segment called mobile traffic so you can see that. And I've got tablet and desktop there as separate, of course. You can also, another handy segment that you can put in here is sessions with transactions, so you can start to see the transactions over time. So now I'm going to go and have a look at, let's have a look at direct traffic. That'll be interesting. So direct traffic, mobile, they weren't getting any sales in the previous period from mobile. So this time they got $700 worth, 2 sales, which is good. This is from direct traffic, and 3.5, so up 61% overall for direct traffic, so slightly higher. And then if we have a look at Bing, I know what you say. You say Bing, really? Here's the thing with Bing. Bing is great for conversions, typically, especially the ad product. Typically, you'll get a much higher conversion rate on Bing ads. The problem that we've had with Bing ads has been trying to get the volume, but it's really worthwhile doing, and if you do it right. And this is very interesting if they're coming in from Bing Organic. So Bing users, typically, we will say I don't want to say they're stupid, but I say that in the office all the time. They're simpler folk, okay, when it comes to the internet. They are simpler folk in that they don't know how to change their search engine on their browser, right? They don't know how to do it. In fact, and you can see that with Windows 10, we get a lot more Bing take up. And that's because these people don't know how to change the search engine on the browser, or presumably take the plastic off their furniture. Now, that's good for us, because when we come in and have a look, we know that they convert better. Typically, they're an older crowd. And you look at this one here, Bing Organic, right, for this same period. Let's drill in. Already there, you can see the e-commerce conversion rates up 232% from these 2 links on the homepage, right? So 2 links on the homepage. So we've gone from 1 sale to 4 sales. Organic traffic has actually increased in that time as well, which is interesting, right? Because we weren't doing any other sort of exercises. This is the only one we're doing. But look at that. Look at the increase in revenue. It's gone from, $73 to, what's that, $3,600. So that one change just from Bing traffic was worth $3,600. So don't ignore your Bing traffic. And what I would do is I would have a look at your Bing traffic, and in your Bing, say, Webmaster Tools, and also have a look at Google Analytics, and try to work out the majority of your Bing users. What are the pages that they really want to find? What are the products? What's the thing that they really want to find? And if you're a retailer, make that really, really simple and easy, especially for your Bing users, and you're going to see a big uptick in revenue. And that's it for this week's show. If you've got any questions, send them through. Hey, if you like the show, it's been going for 13 years. Please subscribe on YouTube, tell your friends, share it on LinkedIn and all your other social networks. That would be awesome. And remember, we're at PubCon this year, November, and I'm talking about brand and content and brand over content, how that makes a difference. And you get brand and your UX, boom, up you go. And we'll see you next week. Thanks very much. Bye.